I just told my AI to write this, and it actually did it. This is basically a real-life Jarvis. This is Brahma AI. It can control your computer, run commands, and automate tasks, and even use your camera and help you build things. Now I'm going to show you the features. There are basically 3 modes. With Do mode, it can control your computer. It opens tools like Spotify inside the app. Even when minimized, it stays as a mini assistant. You can even generate 3D models from text and automate multiple tasks instantly using Sequence Builder here. You can also ask it to open apps, do tasks, and direct assistant by on the screen. This also got more abilities. You can use your mic to communicate. You can also use your hand to control your device using gestures. You can also use it like Alexa. This can connect to Casa devices too. To use it, just download it from the link in the description of my website. Install it, then open File Explorer and double-click on it. Install it like a normal app. Once done, the app will automatically launch. If not, search for the app and open it. In the app, you will have to create an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. The steps to do so are the same. Once you put your email and password, you will require to add a Google Gemini API key. It works for both free and paid keys. To get a key, click on Get Your Gemini Key text below the dialog box. It will lead you to the Google AI Studio. Now create a new key. Import or create a project, then create the key. Now copy the key and paste it in the app. That's it. The app will now load and is ready.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Brahma AI is an agentic desktop assistant built with an Electron interface and a Python backend. It uses a Gemini API key to understand your commands and turn them into real actions on your computer. Instead of just responding, it can control your system using your keyboard and mouse, and also includes built-in modules for different tools and features. It can work both online with AI and offline for basic system tasks. So yeah, that's Brahma AI. It's basically a real-life Jarvis for your computer. If you want to try it, link is in the description. And if you want to see more builds like this, subscribe.